All right, let's get into your stock picks. Grant, I'll start with you. Where are you seeing opportunity at the moment?
So today it's a little bit of a cheat code, but I'm going with the KWEB, so the KraneShares China ETF, which is basically an internet ETF. It gives you, the top holdings are Tencent, Alibaba, Baidu, JD.com, Pinduoduo. So my view is that the AI sort of revolution, if you want to call it that, in China is kicking off with a vengeance. They're about a year or two behind the US, but it is going to be gathering steam, and it's you want to be able to participate in that. It's difficult to pick the winner. It's difficult to invest directly in China. This gives you a nice diversified exposure to that broad theme. You've got a lot of the hyperscalers there involved, the cloud leaders involved, and I think it's a massive opportunity over the next few years in China. So especially for a DIY investor, this is a great way to play it. Just participate through the ETF and get a handful of great businesses, and you mitigate some of that regulatory risk that comes with China. So that's where I am today.
And what about you, Chantal?
Yeah, I'm going to keep it closer to home. We spoke earlier about potential opportunities in the retail space, and I mean, there's probably a whole list of stocks that I think offer really good value at the moment: Truworths, Pepkor, Shoprite. But I'm going to put my money behind Mr. Price. We have a really nice opportunity as well, because they also came out with a slightly disappointing trading update earlier this week, and the share's been under pressure since. One bad month does not a trend make, so they had a very poor June, but they guided for July being a lot stronger. So I think that momentum has returned from a retail sales perspective, and Mr. Price continues to gain market share. So I think that they are a clear winner in that discretionary retail space, and I think we've got some Shein and Temu fatigue in South Africa as well, and Mr. Price could be a beneficiary of that.
All right, let's leave it there. Thanks so much for your time and insights. That was thanks to my guest, Grant Nader from Benguela Global Fund Managers and Chantal Marx from FNB Wealth and Investments. Do remember that Stockwatch pre-records on a Monday and Wednesday at 1 p.m. and is live at 6:30 p.m. on a Tuesday and Thursday, while Stockwatch this week is live at 12:30 p.m. on Fridays. Keep that in mind and keep your questions coming. For now, that's all from Stockwatch this week, but do stay tuned for lots more coming up right here on Business Day TV.